Like so far, like you know, since Josh and I have met, like you know, one of the challenges is just like you know, kasi iba yung culture nila, and iba ang culture natin. Since getting married, iba talaga, like you know, iba talaga, food pa lang iba na. Tapos, but you know, Josh is very nice kasi like he's Christian, kaya sobrang smooth ng transition ng ano namin, ng marriage namin. Like,
siya yung nag-adjust most of the time.
Sorry?
Siya yung nag-adjust palagi.
Oo, siya. Kaya kasi ang bait-bait niya, like you know, ako pa yung hindi masyadong Christian talaga. Tapos siya, nahiya ako sa kanya.
Ingat-ingat sa English.
Ikaw yung maldita.
Oo, siya ano talaga, yung sobrang, totoo, huwag kayong totoo, pero totoo, nung nagdi-date kaming dalawa, like, he would always read a Bible verse sa ako. Kaya, totoo! Mas ka tumatawa dahil pero totoo. Kasi yung nanay at saka tatay na, although they were like, so, because his dad was, he's a retired police officer, and then his mom is, she used to be nurse and midwife. But then, prior to those careers that they had, they used to be like church ministers, they have pastor. So, kaya si Josh, he grew up in a, like, you know, very tight na family na Christian talaga. Kaya ano, I think yun din yung biggest adjustment sa marriage namin. Na ano, na, kasi I'm Catholic, tapos sila Salvation Army, so I had to like, you know, kasi ang ganda din ng ano, na, ang ganda ng beliefs nila. So, pumunta ako sa kanila. So yun. And then pangalawan, we had already, so I've never shared this one to anyone, but then, what do you call it? So we had Nemo and Jet, right? So now that Nemo is in kindergarten, he is in grade 1 na. Pero before when he was starting school, kasi iba, nung nasa preschool siya, tapos konti lang kasi yung yung sa school na pinuntahan niya, konti lang ba Asians doon. And then Nemo would come home, telling me that, oh mama, they won't play with me because I have like little eyes. Kasi yung eyes niya super little, pero parang Korean kasi siya. Kaya they would always like say that, like you know, even now, like you know, everyone is playing, but then they're not playing with him. Kaya ang sakit ng ang sakit ng loob. Kaya I tried. Ina-explain ko talaga siya na, like you know, ina-explain ko siya na talaga na ang hirap pero minsan yung umiyak ako nung sinasabi ko sa kanya, umiyak ako sa toilet kasi na-hurt talaga ako nung pinaka-first na sinabi niya, na siya kindergarten mo. Ayaw nila pero sabi ko sa kanya, I think may mga tao talaga na na ganun, pero you just have to be like, even though they're not very nice, you still have to like show them that you're very nice. Otherwise, like if you're not nice, then walang mangyayari. Naiintindihan naman niya na like, so ngayon ini-ignore na lang niya. Hindi, mas konti na ngayon kasi I think nag-mature na yung ibang mga kids, pero noon talaga yung kindergarten siya, ganun ang nangyari. Kaya lagi ko pa rin sinasabi sa kanila, even Jet now, like I would always tell both of them na you, like maraming differences, like we all have different colors ba, we all have different, pati sa hair color yan, kasi black na black ang hair din mo, may mga kaklase siyang blonde, like you know, he is like different sa sa group nila. Kaya minsan sinasabi ko na kahit ganun pa din, we are all the same, like, you know. Kaya alam din niya ang difference ng Filipino, yan si Jen, alam niya, I'm half Filipino, I'm half Australian, of course I have. alam niya yung difference ba na, for may mga kaklase din siya na half what, like maybe like half Indian and half Australian. Ngayon parang mas naging aware, hindi ko in-expect na magiging aware sila sa at early age. Akala ko dumating sa point din na nung buntis ako, sabi ko siguro naman walang racism na mangyayari kapag mga bata pa sila. Hindi ko in-expect talaga na Nemo was 5 years old, I was explaining him between the race and the colors and everything. Kaya I think yun yung biggest challenge ko so far sa pagiging Filipina and then marrying.
Pero ang religion mo ngayon, Salvation Army.
Yes. Although I didn't convert legally, I'm still by the birth certificate, I'm still like Catholic. But then by practice, I'd be Salvation Army.
Pero sa mga